Hi, Mary Palin here,
And I'm Mike.
and we are with the Floyd Wickman team, and we are inviting you to come to the Master Sales Academy on June 1st. This year, it will be virtual.
You know what I like about that most?
What's that?
You don't have to get in your car and drive somewhere or get on a plane and fly somewhere, and you don't have to pay for a hotel room in it. Just show up
Yeah.
in your jammies if you want.
If you have always wanted to come to one of our Floyd Wickman events, then this is your opportunity to do it cheaply, economically, and easily so that you don't take away from your business time or your family time because it's only on one day. Most of our events are on two.
Will Floyd be there?
Of course.
Yes. Will Dawn and Sheldon and Larry and Brian and Carol and all the Floyd Wickman team be there?
Yeah.
You bet. How about all the master salespeople from around the country, the Get by Giving Award winners, some of our most generous, the most beautiful graduates ever. They're so generous and professional.
And you're going to learn a lot because that's the point. We learn from one another. So yeah, we're going to do some teaching from the platform. We're going to hear at least one, probably two messages from Floyd and from our other trainers.
And a live 590-10 prospecting
Right.
lab.
See, because what I was going to say is we learn so much from each other. And we've got a lineup of people that are coming out of the trenches specifically to the Master Sales Academy to share what they've learned with you, what's working right now in the pandemic, in the virtual world. How are we going to make you a bunch of money? This is your chance to find out.
Yep. Time to rebuild your business. Time to re-kick it in. Let's get remotivated and recommit for the second half of this year and have the kind of 2020 you wanted to have at the beginning.